Okay, good morning to everybody. Welcome back to the class. In the last class, I asked you to solve one question, right? This is the one. Just substituting this y value here. Okay, now. So 2x plus what is y? 3214 equals to 10 minus 32. 2x equals to, send this that side, 10 minus 32 minus 3214 equals to 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. X equals to 2 will go that side, it becomes 1 by 2. Multiply every element with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into minus 2. 2 to get cancelled, minus 1. 1 by 2 into minus 2. 2 to get cancelled, minus 1. 1 by 2 into minus 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are minus 1. You try, simple one, this is simple simplification, you try. Okay. Next one. Next question, let us see. Find x and y. Question number 9 it is. Find x and y, small x, small y. If 130x plus y0 12 equals to 5618. 2130x y0 12 5618. Right up. We have to find x and y values. What is there? Multiply with 2, add both, equate with that. First of all, scalar multiplication over scalar multiplication over 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 into x, 2 x. Scalar multiplication you know. Next what we have to do? Add both the matrices. 2 plus y, 2y, no. 2 plus y is 2 plus y only. It will not become 2y. 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 1, 1. 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. These questions you have to solve. You no need to wait for my steps. Equals to 5618. Now, what is the concept? Equality of matrices. Equate 2 plus y equal to 5. 6 equal to 6, not necessary to write. 1 equal to 1, not necessary to write. 2x plus 2 equals to 8. Y equals to 5 minus 2. Y equals to 3. 2x equal to 8 minus 2. 2x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 2. X equal to 3. Right? Tenth one. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t. Solve the equations for x, y, z and t. If 2xz yt plus 3 1 minus 1 0 2 equals to 3 into 3 5 4 6. Once again, 2 into xyz yt, 3 into 1 minus 102, 3 into 3 5 4 6. Solve the problem with me, otherwise you can go ahead. You no need to wait for me. Scalar multiplication you know, addition of the matrices you know, equality of matrices also you know. You just go through. You just make it fast. 2 into x 2x, 2 into z 2z, 2 into y 2y, 2 into t 2t. Okay, scalar multiplication. 3 ones are 3, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 2 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18. You have to do actually addition of the matrices. 2x plus 3, 2z plus minus 3 means 2z minus 3, 2y plus 0, 2t plus 6. Addition of the matrices over. Now equality of the matrices. 2x plus 3 equal to 9, 2z minus 3 equal to 15, 2y equal to 12, 2t plus 6 equal to 80. Right? 2x equal to 9 minus 3, 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 by 2, x equal to 3. Simple questions. 2z equal to 15 plus 3, 2z equals to 18, z equal to 18 by 2, z equal to 9. Lower class simplification. This completely lower class simplification. You have to do those. Y equal to 12 by 2, y equal to 6, 2t equal to 18 minus 6, 2t equal to 12, t equal to 12 by 2, t equal to 6. Okay. Next one, if 11th question, if x into 2 3 plus y into minus 1 1 equals to 10 5, find x and y. Find x and y. What is there again? Same method. Multiply x into 2 2x, x into 3 3x, y into minus 1 minus y into 1 y, 10 5. Adding the two matrices, 2x minus y, 3x plus y. Next what? Equating the matrices. Solving both the equations. Equation 1, equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 2x minus y equal to 10. 3x plus y equals to 5. Adding both the equations, 2x plus 3x 5x, 10 plus 5 15, x equal to 15 by 5, x equal to 3. Okay. In equation 1, if you put, you will get y value. Equation 1 implies, what is equation 1? Equation 1 is 2x minus y equal to 10, 2x minus y equal to 10. What is x value? 3. 2 3s are 6, minus y equal to 10 minus 6, minus y equal to 4, y equal to minus 4. Okay, this completely lower class simplification. Completely lower class simplification. Multiplication, addition of the matrices, equality of matrices. That is second PUC concept. That is also by using common sense we get. Already we have solved some questions. Next one. Given question number 12. Given 3 into x, y, z, w equals to x6 minus 1, 2w plus 4x plus y z plus w 3. Find x, y, z and w. Find the values of x, y, z and w. You can try this one. I go a bit fast. You have to solve many questions. We have solved like this: addition of the matrices, scalar multiplication, adding the matrices, equating the matrices. Finally, equations will come. Again, lower class concept. Same method. 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w equals to adding the matrices x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, minus 1 plus z plus w, 2w plus 3. Okay. Next, equating the matrices. What is there? 3x equal to x plus 4, 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y. Equating the matrices we know. 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. 3w equal to this one. Right? 3x, x comes this side, minus x. 2x equal to 4. X equals to 4 by 2, x equals to 2. Put x equal to 2 there, we get y value. Before that, 3y, send this y this side, minus y. 6 plus x. 3y minus y, 2y, 6 plus x. 2y equal to 6 plus x value we got 2. 2y equal to 8, y equal to 8 by 2, y equals to 4. 2 answer to 4 sir. X value, y value we got. No chance to substitute x and y there or there. Okay, let us do one thing. Here w value we can find. Substitute w here. Right? 3w minus 2w equals to 3. W equals to 3. 3z. Z is here, send this side, minus z, lower class simplification. 2z equals to minus 1 plus w. 2z equal to minus 1 plus w value 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Z equal to 2 by 2. Z equals to 1. Right? If f of x equal to question number 13, if f of x equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0 0 1, show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y equal to f of x plus y. Okay. f of x is given. F of y, f of y. Wherever x is there in that place, put y. Wherever x is there in that place, put y. That is f of y. F of x equals to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. This is f of x. F of y. What is f of y? In place of x, put y. Cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. This is f of y. Okay. What is f of x plus y? In place of x, put x plus y. Okay. Now let us see LHS. We have to show that this one. LHS is this one. LHS equals to f of x into f of y. F of x cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. This is f of x. F of y cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Simple multiplication. Simplification is big, but multiplication is simple. Okay. Right. This is 3 by 3. When you are going to multiply two matrices, first what we have to see? Order for this matrix, order for that matrix. 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Answer also 3 by 3. Right? 3 by 3. First row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. This is first row, first column. First row, first column. Okay, now cos x into cos y will not become cos xy. Cos x into cos y, what it becomes? It becomes nothing. Cos x into cos y only. Okay? Cos x into cos y will not become cos xy. Cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y. Plus minus sin x into cos, minus sin x into sin y, minus sin x into sin y. That minus this plus, that minus this plus becomes minus. Okay, I am writing minus directly. Right. Minus sin x into sin y, minus sin x sin y. Right. First row, first column over. This one. First row, second column. First row is here. Second column is here. Cos x into minus sin y, minus cos x sin y. Plus minus sin x into cos y. Actually here 0 into 0 is there, that I did not write. 0 into 0, 0. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0. Shall I write that also? Okay, better that is. I will write that also. 0 into 0. Okay. Okay, right. Now, cos x into minus sin y minus cos x, and place is not sufficient. I will write here. Cos x into minus sin y minus cos x sin y. There should be some gap. Okay. Minus cos x into sin y. Right. Minus sin x into cos y minus sin x into cos y. 0 into 0, 0. Last one. First row, last column. First row, last column. Cos x into 0 plus minus sin x into 0, minus sin x, minus sin x into 0. You have 0. 0 into 1. See. Appearance is very big. Next, this is second row, first column. Here is second row, here is first column. Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y plus 0 into 0, 0 into 0. Second row, first column. Now, this is second row, second column, second row, second column. Sin x into minus sin y, minus sin x sin y plus cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y plus 0 into 0. Right? Next, second row, third column, second row, third column. Sin x into 0 plus cos x into 0 plus 0 into 1. Okay na? Third row, first column. Third row, first column. 0 into cos y plus 0 into sin y plus 1 into 0. Third row, second column. 0 into minus sin y plus 0 into cos y plus 1 into 0. Third row, third column. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Okay. Cos y, sin y, 0, sin y, cos y, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right. Cos x sin x 0, cos x sin x 0, cos x sin x 0. Sin x cos x 0, sin x cos x 0, sin x cos x 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Right. Equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a plus b formula. Okay. Take minus common. Place, I am checking the place, how much distance I have to leave. Why? Because few parts are, we have to simplify, that's why I will leave some place here. I will write here. Take minus common. Take minus common. And I am writing this one first. Minus alpha minus beta is there. Minus alpha minus beta. Minus common. Alpha plus beta. Okay na? Minus beta plus alpha we can write. Minus common. Beta plus alpha. What I am doing? This I am doing. Minus common. Beta plus alpha I am writing. Minus common. This I am going to write first. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Successfully it is 0. Sin x cos y. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a plus b formula. Okay, coming to this one, I am writing this is like minus alpha plus beta. Minus alpha plus beta. Minus alpha plus beta. I am writing beta minus alpha. Anything now? Plus beta minus alpha. Plus, even if you don't write, no problem. Plus beta minus alpha. Plus beta minus alpha. What is beta? Cos x cos y. Minus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha means sin x sin y. 0, 0, 0. That also successfully 0. 0, 0, 0. 0 into anything 0. 0 into anything 0. 0 into anything 0. Add 3 zeros. One big 0 will come. 0, 0, 0. 1. 0, 0, 1. 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 1. 1. Okay. Equals to. Equals to, I will write equals to, I will write here only. Here only. Cos of x plus y minus sin a cos b formula. Sin a cos b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a plus b. Sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y. Cos a cos b, again formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a plus b. Here we wrote na? Cos a cos b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos of a plus b. Same like that. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos of x plus y. Cos of x plus y. 0, 0, 0. Sir, what is the question? What we have to prove? What we are doing? What is the question? F of x into f of y. Yes, LHS. What we have to prove? F of x plus y. Where we got f of x plus y? Is it f of x plus y? Yeah, f of x plus y. So how can you tell that this is f of x plus y? Let us see. F of x in terms of x. F of y in terms of y. F of x plus y in place of x. Put f of x in place of x. Put x plus y. In place of x, x plus y. Read it. Cos of x plus y. Yes. In place of x, put x plus y. Minus sin of x plus y. Yes. 0. In place of x, put x plus y. Sin of x plus y. Yes. In place of x, put x plus y. Cos of x plus y. Yes. 0, 0, 0, 1. So this can be written as f of x plus y. Answer over. This is f of x plus y only. No doubt. In this question, what you have to remember? Cos x into cos y. Cos x, cos y only. Don't go to write cos xy. Don't go to write cos xy. Remember that one carefully. Next question, show that these questions you have to try. Show that 14th one. I am not going to solve these questions. Why? Because matrix multiplication it is. We have solved so many questions on matrix multiplication. You have to solve this one. This is purely homework. Purely homework means I am not going to interfere in this. You have to solve. By this time we should get perfection in this. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 6, 7. 5 minus 1, 6, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5 minus 1, 6, 7. Right side. First sub question. Second sub question. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, not equals to minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Both are not equal. 3 by 3 matrices we multiplied. 3 by 3, 3 by 3, answer also 3 by 3. 2 by 2, 2 by 2, answer also 2 by 2. What we have to prove? Take LHS, multiply both, you will get some answer. Take RHS, multiply both, you get something else. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Here also same thing. Take LHS, multiply these two, you get something. Take RHS, multiply those two, you get something. Finally, you will get LHS is not equal to RHS. Right? This question you have to do homework. Why? Because we have solved so many questions on this concept. Next one, find. 15th question, find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a equals to, my god, 201, 213, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Right? A square minus 5a plus 6i we have to find for this matrix. First of all, we have to find a square. First, given a equals to a square means a into a. A into a we have solved, you have to try. I told so many questions. Multiplication you should do. Multiplication you have to do. This is 3 by 3. This is also 3 by 3. Answer also 3 by 3 matrix. Right? First row, first column. I am doing directly. You have to solve this one. Right? 2 to the 4. 0 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. You try slowly, you will get the correct answer. You try slowly, you will get the correct answer. Immediately after seeing this 5, from where we got 5, this 2 into 0, 2 into 3, 6, something, don't need to confuse. You try, put your pen on the paper, you try. Then definitely you get the correct answer. No need to become panic after finding this 5, from where it came. If you know the method, you can solve. If you don't know the method, see the previous questions once again. Okay? 2 to the 4 plus 0 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 0, 0, minus 1. If you understood the method already how to multiply, then you can play with this. 2, 0, 0. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Now, second row, first column. 4, 2 to the 4. 2, 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 1, 3. 4, 2, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Right? Second row, second column. Okay, now 0, 1, minus 3. 1 minus 3, minus 2. Next, second row, third column. 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 0. 5 plus 0 in. 5 plus 0 I mean. So it becomes 5. Next, third row, first column. 1 into 2, minus 2, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Next, 1 minus 3, minus 2, 0, minus 2. If you solve slowly, then you too get the same answer. Okay? Right, a square finished. Find out 5a. Very, 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 very dangerous. Why? What is there to become that much dangerous here? People are going to find out minus 5a at this place. And they will write again a square minus 5a plus 6i. A square value is here. Minus they will keep as it is. 5a they will write here. People are going to find out minus 5a here. Minus 5a value something something. What they have to write here? Plus here they have to write here. Why? Because you are already finding minus 5a. You are already finding minus 5a. Because of that reason you have to write plus. This concept few people cannot understand. That's why what I am suggesting you, the simple thing is find out 5a. Find out 5a. That's it. Find out 5a. 5 into a. What is a? 201, 213, 1 minus 1 0. 5 2s are 10, 0, 5, 5 2s are 10, 5, 15, 5 minus 5 0. Okay, 6i. I means identity matrix, unit matrix. Simple multiplication 600 060 006. Okay, now what we have to find a square minus 5a plus 6i. A square value is there. Minus keep as it is. 5a. This is the 5a value. This is the 5a value. 5a value right now. 1005, 1005, 15, 5 minus 5 0 plus 6i, 600 060 006. First matrix minus second matrix plus third matrix. 5 minus 10 plus 6. Corresponding elements. A11 minus A11 plus A11. A11 in this matrix minus A11 in this matrix plus A11 in this matrix. Next, this one minus this one plus this one. Okay, now minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. Next, 2 minus 5 plus 0. Next, 9 minus 10 plus 0. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. 5 minus 15 plus 0. 0 minus 5 plus 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 5. This minus becomes plus 0. Minus 2 minus 0. Minus 2 minus 0 plus 6. 006 06 06 00. Minus 10 5 minus 1, 5 minus 10, okay. 5 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1, minus 2, 0 minus 1, minus 2, right. Next, minus, okay, minus 10, minus 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, plus 5, minus 0, right, okay. 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, right. Nothing went wrong. Negative, positive, right. Equals to 5 plus 6, 11, 11 minus 10, 1, minus 1, 2 minus 5, minus 3, 9 minus 10, minus 1, minus 7 plus 6, minus 1, 5 minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 4, 4. That is the answer. Chances are there to ask the question, we have to find a cube plus something, a square plus something, a plus something I. Chances are there to ask a cube also. Okay. Yeah, next question is that only. You try that question. You try that question. Same like this. Same like this. You try that question. That question I am going to give homework. That question you have to solve. If A equals to 102, 021, 203, show that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equals to 0. A cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equal to 0. This question you have to do as homework. This question you have to do as homework. A cube you have to find out. A cube, if you want, you have to write a square into a or a into a square. Both are correct. So first of all you have to find a square. Without knowing a square, how can you get? So first a square you have to find. A into a, matrix A into matrix A. You will get a square. A square into a, matrix A square into a cube you will get. Next what you have to find? 6a square you have to find. Be careful. Don't go to find minus 6a square. Don't invite the problems. 6a square you have to find. Next 7a you have to find. Next 2i you have to find. Substitute all values in that. You should get the answer 0. Don't go to bring the answer 0. You should get the answer 0. Right? Let us see in the next class. Thank you.